Do you feel like you don't speak enough Hebrew? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. If you're learning the language with our lessons, did you know you also get a bonus study tool that lets you 1. Absorb conversations by reading along. 2. Master grammar rules fast. And 3. Review everything without redoing the lesson. You can do this all with the lesson notes inside of our learning program. But if you don't have access to our program, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description. So what are the lesson notes? The lesson notes are simply the written version of our audio and video lessons. Inside, you'll find 1. The dialogue and the translations, 2. The grammar rules for that lesson and the explanations, 3. The lesson's vocabulary in sample sentences, and 4. Cultural insights for that lesson. You'll find the lesson notes in every lesson. You can also download the notes as PDFs and print them out. And there are 3 reasons why this basic study tool makes learning the language super easy. First, you get native conversation and translations in writing. Imagine listening to a conversation in real life. Native speakers speak fast, so you might not understand every single word. But if you have a transcript to follow along with, you can easily pick every word apart and start understanding what the native speakers say. And since you learn a new conversation in every lesson, that's exactly why you get our lesson notes for every lesson, so you can quickly grasp and understand native speech. Second, you can get in-depth grammar explanations and even more examples. One of the best ways to learn grammar is to get used to it through practice and lots of exposure. And with our audio and video lessons, you'll get the grammar rules explained. But if you want the extra exposure, check out the lesson notes for the extra review and even more examples that are not available in the lesson. And 3, you can quickly review what you've learned without retaking a lesson. Again, one of the best ways to pick up a language is through repeated exposure, which means reviewing what you've learned as much as possible. But if you don't want to retake a lesson, then you can quickly review the lesson's dialogue, grammar, and vocabulary with the lesson notes. So if you want to learn the language faster, understand native conversations, and review the lesson content with a quick glance, then take advantage of the lesson notes, which you'll find in every lesson inside of our learning program. But if you don't yet have access, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to sign up. Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.